Is this what it's like to see the light? What do you do?
Gabby, if it's her first time in front of studio lights. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
It's really bright.
Is that a little better?
And I'm crying.
This is gonna be fun. You guys know Gabby. Gabby's an OG. She's been around.
Crying. Okay.
Gabby and I are going to the Taylor Swift concert tonight. And she is not exactly a big makeup person.
I'm getting better.
She is.
Well, being her friend for 6 years, you kind of have to.
I have to. So today I'm going to be giving her a full glam transformation. It's gonna be really fun. We're gonna do Gabby's makeup on camera and see how it goes. So I haven't done makeup in a minute, so I'm excited to do it on someone else. We're gonna take some Tatcha, a little bit of their Silk Canvas Primer. Gabby's like, what are that? My hands are clean.
She pulled all the stuff out, and when she said the word baking soda, I got confused.
I said baking powder.
Oh.
All right, you're gonna smooth those pores, sister.
I did a nose strip last night and a chin strip.
Oh, good for you. All right, we're gonna take a little Fix Plus and give her some hydration and set that. Close your eyes. Miserable. So I think we matched her pretty good. Gabby's got her little summer tan on. I think we're gonna do a little Fenty Beauty here in the shade.
I need to wipe my nose.
210. I'll get you a tissue.
My makeup, you've done it like 3 times.
Tell them about the first time
No,
I did
she's done it 4 times. The first time was when we just became friends.
Yeah.
I made her cry.
It was rough. I was really sensitive back then though.
But when she first started doing makeup.
Yeah, I wasn't.
Did you have the channel yet or not yet? You might not have the channel, or you were just starting the channel.
Something like that. Probably just started.
And it was like she needs stuff for her portfolio or something. So
yeah.
She did my makeup. Now I'm someone that didn't even wear mascara.
She didn't wear any makeup.
Like
at this
nothing,
time.
Nothing. Like if I wore mascara, that was a huge deal. Like
yeah.
I didn't wear anything.
Yeah.
Like middle school, that crappy eyeliner sometimes went on, like straight line, like you know. But so she put on, like it wasn't that the makeup was bad when I look back on that, because I still remember to this day exactly what it looked like. But she put like dark blue eyeshadow.
I
did a smoky eye with like winged eyeliner, and I like freaked out. Like and I was brutal. I was mean because I was so mad.
And you've gotten more sensitive over the years too. You have. You're better.
Yeah, I'm definitely sensitive, more sensitive to her talking what I need to say.
Yeah,
so,
I'm sensitive. She knows now.
Well, she's also less sensitive. It's kind of a nice balance we have now.
I'm less sensitive and you are more.
Yes, so it balances well. Yeah. Sometimes I guess I'm still too harsh. She told me that the other day.
I tell her. She needs to know when she hurts my feelings.
I don't do it purposefully. It's never on purpose.
No, it's never on purpose.
Yeah, so.
And that was when I first started doing makeup, so all I really knew was smoky eyes.
Yeah.
Like that's all I wanted to do.
I don't think we talked for a few days.
Alright guys, we're gonna go into the little Shape Tape shade Light Neutral.
The faces on here alone, like if anyone screenshots this video, I look crazy.
Welcome to my everyday life on this channel. I'm gonna blend her out and bake her with a little Patrick Star.
Patrick Star. Try not to cry. I feel like I look like the Grinch Stole Christmas, like the Grinch, where I'm like,
oh yeah, with the little smirky.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you do.
Oh, look, wait.
Guys, Gabby has the best brows in America. I swear to God, they're so full and perfect. Like, I don't even want to do anything to them.
I keep making really weird faces at the camera, so this video will just be me making weird faces.
While she's baking, I'm gonna go in with the Tartelette and Bloom, one of my favorite palettes. I'm gonna prime your lids close. This will make sure your shadow stays on all night through the T-Swift concert. She's supposed to do some of her old stuff, so we're very excited.
She has to play 22.
Because it's her 22nd birthday, by the way, guys.
Well, I was talking to one of my customers last night, like one of my customers' friends who I never met.
Yeah.
And she writes music too for like singers, like pop, like famous people.
Who does she write? How does she know her?
She doesn't know her, but she was saying like at Taylor Swift concerts, which I've heard from other people too, is that she pulls random people into the audience.
Ooh.
From the audience backstage to like meet her.
What?
So I was like, should we make a sign? I was like, I don't want to hold
Should we make a sign?
I don't want to hold one, honestly. You know me, I don't like to hold things.
I'll hold it. So I'm just gonna give you like a really soft, rosy eye, because Gabby's not one for smoke. I'm not really either, so we're just gonna keep it nice and chill. Taking some softer shades for her lid.
You guys have to see the whole outfit once it's put together with the face, because it's gonna match.
I'm gonna insert pics at the end. All right, grabbing some of this shade. We're just gonna add a little depth, but not like smoke.
Okay.
Gabby's like, what are that?
I'm like, alright. I thought you were putting baking soda on my face. What is baking powder anyway?
What we have on your face right now that's sitting is quote unquote baking powder. Like we're letting that concealer bake so that it won't crease.
From the crazy lights that I have on my face right now?
Yeah. We're gonna take some of Funny Girl and highlight the brow bone. Because Gabby's a funny girl. If you guys think Gabby has the best brows in America, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new and you're enjoying this video, take a minute and subscribe and join the Fearless Tribe. Now, her baking has set. We're going to just blend it out.
Oh.
To set the face. This is Gabby's first time baking, her first time going this glam. I'm excited. Let's go in and bronze her up because, you know,
I look ghostly.
We got to get her nice and bronzed. So we're going to take some of the Urban Decay.
Plus I'm like really tan, so like it's kind of a problem now. But yeah. She'll fix it.
Yeah,
well, not fix it. She'll complete the face.
Complete the look. This bronzer is so good. Yeah, it would.
Wow, my face has already changed so much since she put that on.
Bronzer, literally. Oh, you look so chiseled. Look how chiseled.
With my weird ass smile.
Oh my god, I can't wait to see this all done. Because I've never seen her full glammed. Because like the one I did on her was like very amateur. This is the new Ambient lighting palette I got. Well, it's not new, but I got it new the other day at Nordstrom. So this is very natural. I think it'll look really pretty.
I think we need to tell all of our friends to watch this video. Like, make sure they watch it.
100%.
Just to laugh at
Post it on Facebook.
Right. No.
Aw, so natural. Look how pretty that blush is. Look at that cheekbone.
I keep thinking I look like the Grinch right now. I'm like,
You have good cheekbones.
Sure.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take a little Fix Plus on my highlighting brush to make it pop. And I'm going to use the Almighty Anastasia collab with Ambreezy. This is going to look so pretty on her skin tone. And maybe turn that way.
It's glittery.
Yep.
Is this highlighter?
Yes, girl. You can turn down a little. Whoa! Oh my god! Look at your cheek! Look at you! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so pretty.
I feel like I look fake. Like, I'm not real.
Welcome to makeup.
I'm gonna put a picture of myself on Instagram. They're gonna be like, who the hell is that?
Oh, the beam. Yes. Oh, beautiful. All right, we're going to spritz you with a little Fix Plus. Close your eyes.
A little.
Now just relax your face. You don't crinkle. Relax your face. And I'm gonna pan you now. Just breathe. Take in all those vitamins and minerals on your skin. Ooh, yes. You're in the Fearless.
Shut up.
Bitch. You can probably open now. It shouldn't burn. Does it burn?
No.
Okay.
Don't laugh. You're in the spa. The fear. Oh yeah, I'm like.
Oh, I gotta get the little lashes.
Crazy. Al could kill me when she sees it later. Hi, Al. She's not new. Crazy. But we love her anyway. Looking good so far. We'll see what she does next.
I'm gonna put the teeniest ones on you, and I know you just had a conversation with the camera. Alright, I know you don't, I'm not gonna do eyeliner on you, I'm just gonna do like a soft, like powder liner with like a dark brown shadow.
Whatever that means.
I literally did the exact same eyeshadow on you that I'm wearing today.
Whoa, it's so weird I can see the difference.
Yeah, just to like enhance your eye a little. I'm gonna have you do a thin layer of mascara. You can take this. No, you can take the mirror.
I can't do it in there.
You can't use a little mirror?
I'll be right back.
Okay, we're back. We're gonna put on these teeny tiny little baby lashes from Eylure. Look how small they are. So they shouldn't bother her because she does definitely not wear fake lashes. All right, maybe close your eyes and just relax. These are so cute. These lashes are literally just like extensions of yours. They're like a teeny bit longer, but like they're very similar to your lashes. Easy enough, right? All right, we're gonna take a tiny bit of powder under her eye. Look up at the ceiling.
Real question is, where are we gonna take pictures?
I know, that's
Definitely at Gillette.
the ultimate question. Oh yeah, I haven't been there in like a really long time. I don't really remember it.
I was there last year.
Inner corner highlight.
I went to the Patriots training camp.
Do you have an area where you'd want to take pics?
Well, we each take it in front of the stadium or in the parking lot around the stadium probably. Because we're at the concert, it makes sense.
Yeah. Alright, so now this is gonna look totally completed once we throw her lip on.
Secret is I'm taking it off after.
Gabby hates lip products besides chapstick. So this is
But the Blistex brand.
Yes, she's
not
very specific. So we're gonna throw on Double Time by MAC liner and then the Bare Minerals Darling Gloss. She's so angry, she's slowly going.
Hurry up.
I can't, lip liner takes a long time. Glossy, she's so glossy and fresh.
How do you wear this?
How?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Oh, you mean the feeling?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. It just doesn't bother some people. Gabby's like, it bothers me. I know the second it touched your lips inside you were screaming. Oh, you're so cute.
We need to put my hair elastic in your little bag thing too.
Okay.
Later. I can't tell if it's ponytail, so you tell me.
Oh, she's so glam. Who is she? Gabby has the prettiest hair in the world, but she doesn't really put product on. So I'm just going to give her a little bit. We're going to use the Way Hair Oil and the Way Soft Mousse. These products are bomb, and I think it's going to look so pretty on her hair. Your hair is very shiny too right now. Look at you. 22. Because guys, I've literally always wanted hair like this. Like the Carrie Bradshaw curls is my favorite thing in the world. Back when everyone always used to wear their hair straight in like 7th grade, I'd be like, I want a curling iron. I want a perm.
Oh, I always want my hair straight because my hair's like this.
We always want the opposite of what we have. She's a transformed goddess. So guys, this is our after. I know you're not a big makeup wearer, but do you feel pretty?
The lip gloss is just annoying. Other than that.
I should have done a matte, but I knew that the matte would be harder to take off because I know you're going to take it right off afterwards. Oh, she's beauty and she's grace. She's Miss United States.
My hair is that much darker than yours. I just like, totally just seeing that right now. I don't know why it's on camera.
Yeah, your hair is pretty dark. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. A little bit different, and you guys love Gabby. I love Gabby. So
I'm looking at the camera really crazy, everybody. I keep looking at myself, so just don't.
She's gonna be staring at herself for a while. Cause she literally, typical day, this is the exact opposite.
This is like the prom.
Yes. Go check out Gabby's Instagram if you want to see how she looked at the concert, and I'm sure I'll have pictures on mine as well. And if you liked this, give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a video, and we'll see you in the future.
Bye.
Bye.